me. Anyway, that be super sorry you crazy. You don't fall. Exactly. One bundle. Now, hello. Mona go. Now my audience be this. So Saklit, DJ wait now. Saklit, you get one joke here, but if I tell you, if everybody here and fuck up, give me your WhatsApp line. I'll send the joke to you. You will wash out yourself. How you say? It's sharp. Hey God. No feedback, nothing. Small. You will soon reach this level. Calm down. Now what money did this show? I bet when they do the next edition? Next month. Baba, next one you know, pay me, I will come. I'll support you. Mona video, video me now. Sonic. Because he tell me say na me collect highest for this show. Abi, next month I no go charge. I will come for. Oh, I forgot I'm drunk. I don't fuck up. Nothing sweet say you carry girl come on. Sir, please, God bless you. Thank you for the love. Nothing sweet say you carry girl come on. You take come out. Listen to me. Not treat girl because not treat girl like Ross girl. No, treat her like your babe. Give her a treatment, man. If you not treat her well, you go see. Listen, if you not treat her well, you go see regret her. Some of them when they shout, you go down the night girl when you don't know from anywhere. What's my name? You tell her your name. You don't carry girl now, you don't tell her your name. You didn't answer say what's my name. Fuck don't enter your head. The girl don't shout customer. You the feedback.
Come on, let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about it.
No, she come now. Some of them are going to knock woman. Pa. Say, listen to me. No matter you sabi knock, you can't reach the ending.
You are the suppers coming to me.
They're going to tell you, baby, don't stop. Now that they stop. So we can do. So coach shall say, baby, you are there. How dare you?
Oh, give the left arm.
Some men we can do. As they say, baby, you are there. You see the thing. As the guy don't say, baby, don't stop. You are right there. You can see the idiot.
I'm hotter than
fire. You want them to pay me? And you know, say, man, no, they agree, say, don't tire for sex, so, man. When they wash now, when you are the girl make marks, when I don't do sex chat, the girl don't tell you, say, I've not seen a man that will make me come. Now you can tell the girl, say, I've not slept with a girl that did not come. Comrade, hello.
You fuck me too hard.
You are the girl who got the now, pa. You don't tire, idiot. You don't say you don't tire. But because the girl never come, you don't want to say you don't tire. I know say when my dog tire, women might tell our style. When my dog tire, go they bring useless style. I saw me, I won't get make my for Potako. I do pa. I don't tire. I don't know how to tell her. If I tell her, this is a fuck up. Then the girl look me. No, you can't tell me best comedy in 5 years. No. Me, I don't tire. I call it bring different style. I call do one. Do like this. The guy say, what style is that? Say snake in the monkey shadow. Now me want for straight. Wait, now me want for straight. I don't wait. See the way. Alright, before I leave, I always say this. I should not go, okay, beautiful. Me, I will talk to you tomorrow morning, I know me.
I am a soldier.
See the way, I have a soldier, be man of war. What I not say? Now, this one now is a comedy, is a joke, but is educative and interesting. I want to explain. Nobody here now, as we are sitting here, nobody, choose, you know they go? Are they Chris? Now, so they just stand now. Yeah. And you do video since. Shit, man. Yeah, you don't come back to your usual. Now, so like big. Yeah. Pull line, may last. where they give, so if you just put some more account, abortion mercy. This is when I talk like the place, so I swear, as you they go outside, some guests go ask you, what is that thing you ordered the other? I'm sorry, let's start properly, I'm sorry. That's Igodo. If you don't know this song title, then you know get respect for me, thought that I go fire you. Igodo part 1. Igodo part 1. When Norbert Young was coming from the forest, he don't hold the knife. Oh, no. Le Bragade. Thank you. That's Igodo part 1. Yeah, those of you who don't know, you can go to your YouTube, you see them. Igodo part 1. Very interesting movie. Yes. Yeah, Norbert Young. Now attack. Now only him. Now come back from the forest. Now this comedy. This I just honor it. Not be true. Now one to enter the village. Now the last one go see him mama. Go hug her. Baba, this one just go collect something. From your guy to me to you. In a way, that's all I be. What goes around? Correct. Baba, listen to me. NYC. I won't beg on that. Not be everything that hey, Apostle. Not be everything they buy for traffic. Oh, my guy go buy dog for traffic. 2 years now, dog never back. Now we carry the dog go vet last week Friday. You know, say the veterinary tell us say the dog not there for dog. Not maybe they buy one of my guys don't buy gold. Why you go buy gold for traffic? Gold oh. They tell us say 82 karat day. Listen to me. All those boys they sell for traffic, they get master plan. As they follow the price, they look traffic light. As it they red, they go calm. As it go yellow, they say, oh yeah, bring money. Now fake oh. As they pay, it don't show green. They say, oh they go light don't show. You don't move. One of my guy buy good. As they go now, the guy will sell for the follow. No, when I'm wearing the fall.
All right, man, I need you to cause my nobody be here. That is my
I thought that why they bad money. Hey, as I see, I remember the joke. They hear all those matter when EFCC they ban spray, public spray. One girl when he borrow her friend wig. 1.4 million a week. Call gravity. And they throw to 200. She got a big money. Now I won't get pick a wig. Ask me how much you get pick. Ask me. Don't ask me now. 62K. Now the thief wig of 1 point. Now club don't finish. The girls sit down for outside. I don't hear. How much did I pick?
Oh yeah,
Alright, Kingston, you don't see the matter. That's it, jump you. Alright, I want to do a very educative comedy, informative, so that you learn. Not be saying you just laugh, you just go home like that. You say, what? I know the young. Oh, you know the young lady. What you want here now? Edo? Measurable. Okay. Owanyo bebe wana Ayovo Say man, calm down. I mean, you let me data spray me. They just spray you 20,000, they will frustrate you. Guess when you play the song again. I go and Bini Abi, they'll play Bini song. I go Asaba, I not tell them they spray me. Listen. I'm sorry. I'm focusing on this side. I'm sorry. Let me go. This song, it don't say that way. When I know say the day when they drop this song, now the day when in best I do end of year party. Listen, hello, France president. I may not be France president. Okay, France, Nigeria in France. I beg, may not be like say they lie for you. Who you really be? Okay, after party, don't worry. After party day, we know they go anywhere. Hello, are you France, Nigerian's president? Nigeria in France. Hey, let's get it right. Nigeria's in France. President. You see the vice? Okay. Let's start properly. DJ way, DJ, as big as you are, you see they do to go. You see they do to go. As matured as you are. Sonny. Alpha, I like the way your composure no be here. Because you don't calculate, you don't say. No worry, you don't say. I know what you are talking, you don't say. You know what King Step, only King Step don't order. How about you don't say? Now listen, this is the best place to have fun in Lagos right now. Yes, not be lie. So now today after party, instead of no they drive come out. We'll day here. We'll boy here. If I suppose say I, if I not suppose say nay, the I have it. So what boy here? Sunday crew, God bless you. Now, sir, president in Nigeria. Oh. Wait, I want to express something. Hello. Please now. Please. I dey respect you now. I know if you come in your office, God dey distract you. Now my office now come. Now my office. I beg. Let me this. I'm sorry for my gross misconduct. I'm sorry. Binio here. DJ! Hey, DJ! Play all the Benin song when you get, then get out from there. Yeah, I start. Where? Okay. Oh, Sonic Room! They don't give me your profile, no best. Jesus! Oh! Play all the Benin artists! Play them! Rema, you don't get Rema! Oh, I never seen this one. Oh, yeah, come on. Thank you. Yes, I don't. You know, not because I really love Benin, but the wish one I get. I mean, the. Now when our class prepare be this, why no make am? What horrible? Now you no make am. Take my number. You dey fuck up. I'm really sorry. See you at say na NYC. See her here. Yeah. DJ wait. As this guy saw finish, he no make her. He say go stress the trouser. I'm sorry. Let's do this, and I drop the mic. I'm sorry. By right, I've worked more than what you paid for. All right. Yeah. Because listen. When he called me, thank God you are here. When he called me, he begged me. He said it's a family thing. That he just come and support you guys. And I said, I don't know this Sonic crew. He said, I suppose no one else keep quiet and he talk to who get. So, what I charged him is a family price. Alright? So now that I've seen you, I'll give him the family price, you will settle me. What I know say, who get money, I tell you what I know. As we did traffic light, now see billboard. That billboard, when I want to do my show, they tell me say to do that to play my advert 5 times for that billboard is 7 million naira.
Money where we get.
Wait, now we get. Honorary Comedy Club. Baba likes that billboard. Baba God will bless you. Nothing sweet me young boys get. The worst thing now when your breakthrough come for old age, you come be like fatai rolling dollar.
I drop the top to the portion, I stick out my head and scream, Mama!
That's the set of rich men this country is producing. Young boys. See I'm now? I'm 40. I senior you. Yes, now. This is what about it. If you don't, now small, but I senior you. Keep quiet. I'm 40. I'm fearless. Yeah, and you are 39. You are fearing. You are scared, eh? 39. I'm fearful. Are you 40 yet? Not say small. 4 years now you call small. Do you know what it take me to get to 40? Do you know the arrow they shot at me? How many? You crazy? Yeah, you carry the people come. Nothing sweet me. Nothing sweet rich when you are babe day. You dey knock back. The girl call they ask you, please, now what will I do to make you come? If I don't hear that thing, I don't achieve. Monica, for this small thing, I'm not telling her the continuation. I don't know scam. The yellow. Guess what? Smiling money first. Sir, Copper, do you know? Oh, sorry. You be NYCC Copper. You never see anything. Oh, Dini, you never see anything. Nothing to me. I'm bossy. You don't say your wife did, but this joke, not laugh. Oh. When you go ask, don't laugh for no reason. Your wife will go and say, this one you are driving and you are laughing, you go say you will not understand. Because this joke now, if I get the wife to talk to you, you call laugh, your wife will go and ask you. Why? I beg, not laugh here. But I think you on another side to laugh. The joke, I swear your wife must laugh. As they laugh, you can't laugh your wife. Oh. I'm the only comedian that will educate you how to laugh to my jokes. Nah, sir. Comedian, you don't know. In any show, try to find your soft landing. She says, at your point, the guy they go like, watch.
I need to go back to need her.
Let me one guy charge me 100,000. That I never make am. We did not. Now they get they interview me. Allah make them interview me. And they say, what do you drink? I say nothing. What do you shop? I say nothing. Now they say, what will I do to make you come? Now my head twists.
When I am speechless, that's how you make me feel. I'm with you, I'm far away.
I will tell you for free. Sonic Room. You understand the business before you enter. Not worry. No, you wait. Where casino? I tell you, say you start well. Abi? Yeah, because if you build here, no build well. You know, start well. Good. Now, sir, let me explain to you. To make up for this Lagos is easy. Just look for the waiting the youth they look for. Developer. They go bring the money. Everybody get money. You know why? Let me explain to you. What it make all these people when they say organic cream, those when they say vaginal tightening soap, what's their name? Dorina Skincare, Jenny's Glow, I get one here. They forget that name today. Listen, they go say, listen, oh, life na brain. I not say comedy too much for the industry. The same comedy, the same style. Now bring DJ enter. Make it different. So if you are there for 2 days, you don't know if you go as.
Everyone
yes. Do it differently.
I'm a war. I'm a fight.
Leave the way. Now, you see the problem now? Do it differently. You will get your money differently. That's what it just be. Alright? That is why all these people, when they say vaginal tightening cream, yes, they buy them. Men, they buy penis enlargement. So as you they tight, we they enlarge.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. The dub, I even gotta tell it on.
Anyway, as they tighten, then they enlarge. Who produce the cream? They get a lot. Alert. Baba thinks outside the box. Money dey this Lagos.
Anybody who fight you, when they come, they already know.
Money dey.
I'll be right beside you. I don't wanna change.
They don't know the story go.
When I kiss you,
They don't know. Casino shock now when he coming for this comedy club. I said they collect 5 million. He said, I'm on Sonic Room, give him. That is my style. They say comedy club now, when you go give some comedian 5,000. I what time I be? Not about tell. I get comedian when they don't tell. They collect 1 night. You go double one. No. So, Sonic, you know why they talk this thing? So that next month I go come for free. You know how much I dash you, even though you get.
see the way you love me, see the way you care for me. Hurry my matter
For your head, oh, like a little baby, they watch over me, oh. You know they carry me, they play, oh. My love is happiness, oh. That's the way. Listen to me. In the law of speed, overtaking is allowed. Humility is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Now make, even though you get and you humble, people when you get past, go see they help you. I'm saying you just get 2 million, 2 million. You don't go add 2 pounds. They use comedian go dey ask some celebrity go dey ask me, Destalker, the level wey Baba, if na music I did, na me be Burna Boy.
You don't know why it's going on.
I go dey travel. Only me go dey drive, me and my DJ. I go dey fire. I go reach Ore. People go dey follow me, dey snap. I go buy Tico yesterday. Now one guy won't snap with me. He said, Baba, I fit snap with you. I said, snap. He said, Baba, you be celebrity. I said, if I know there, you for see me. He said, no. I said, snap.
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life.
So anyway, now let me run it down so that I want to dance. I want to have fun tonight. All right? Yeah, you know some people in lodge now, they feel sad, they waste time. Hello? Now so my joke they be, am I communicating? Now so it be, Baba. See, everybody, you see as all of us in this room now. You know say you're in a room. I mean they put Sonic room. You know as all of us there now. If all of us become star, space go see day up for another star. Why you call the hinder on that person light now? Alright, now I want to do this and I drop the mic. But before I drop the mic, I want to do something for my friend, my brother. I will say this for free. This is the biggest comedy club in Lagos. Make some noise for Sonic Room. Now make some noise for Casino. Beautiful. Yes. There's something about me. Those of you that are close to me, I push anybody around me to progress. I push you to go far. Alright? Listen to me. If I help Casino now, not be for your own good, now for our own good. You know why? One person they do convoy.
I know, Pastor.
Baba, convoy better pass. No, now for manage back. That is why I like helping people. So the people go ask me, you like carrying people along? Yes. I've got it to a level. See my men, they here. House of Destalker are here. DJ K is here. Pekis is here. We go club now. Go drink 2 million. And they bring the bill. They will tell me, say, my boy don't pay. Who I help now, don't they help me? Mama, they see me. So right about now, I want to do this. Like I said, this is the maiden edition and we have this mammoth crowd. The only thing that can grow this place is gossip. As you go back to your house, you go back to meet your friends, gossip to your friends. Make them feel bad that they are not here. So that you'll see next edition. You'll see people with the lap people. That's how it should be. So we want to do this to my friend before I drop the mic. That's the only thing I owe you, bro. Alright? Now, normal show we do, but for you to get this crowd, you don't this upper small center now. Alright? Now, Sumoti, they call it a big pass, it's Sumoti. So, what we're going to do, we'll switch off the light. You know why? For the publicity of the next edition. Tomorrow, you're going to tell people, say, now we start Sonic Room. It's called Legacy. Now we start Sonic Room. The first edition we did there. It's like Casino. Alright, bro. So we're gonna do that. We'll put up the light. If you're not using a good phone, I'm sorry. Apology accepted? Yes, if you're not using a good phone, listen to me. What's the criteria of not a good phone? If your phone don't get touched. You are not using Not as everything get phone touched. So they will off the light. That's what my friend, I owe him this. Yeah. I will leave the stage for you. I'll deal with you.
Hey, sit there with me.
All right, we'll put up the light. Listen to me. Pick all your valuable before we do this thing. No. Not say here, not be worried. Worry, but it's there inside here. Keep quiet. Wait, I know what they talk. Not everybody when they here come from Ireland though.
So come to Cotif Highlander.
No, here I'm now. Man, give you one game. They carry on for Island. See, all these guys want you. Not be every boy you see here, we are native. Sorry, not you. Not be every guy where we are native, dress where they Island though. One guy don't carry girl for my club, book out, listen. He carried the girl around 4. The girl don't hide. The girl just say, I hope you will take care of me. Now that one here, you know, say highness when they do that one. Now he say yes, let's go. Now they enter motor. Ask me where the guy they stay.
Where the guy is staying?
After Okoko.
Jesus, that's Cameroon.
Beautiful. Baba, you don't suffer. Lowly. And what I hear now, as they go, now the girl they say, I don't want to be sure. What are you giving me? Now the boy answer, what do you want? Now the girl say, you give me 60,000. Now the boy say, no problem. You know why? You know where they go. DJ wait, true life story, not be kilometer years. Now miles. You know, say they carry this girl from Lekki phase 1. First of all, how you tell you say the journey far? How you go come up for club till 4 in the morning? There is where they stay till 2 in the afternoon. No. I have to say na joke. I swear to God, true life story. The year na as they reach, the guy don't fuck. Around 5 in the evening, the girl won't come out. You know, say na highness they take go. You never carry girl before the girl come there and say, where is Ali away? Oh, see carrier. Oh yeah. The year the whole flight now calm down. The year now the girl answer. Mona here for the girl mind where they drive not far. You know, so when you hire everywhere they near. Hey, that girl blessing her story. The girl look at friend. Who told him? As they reach, okay, listen now. You know, as they reach, in the evening, the girl won't go. How much the price? 60,000. Now the guy give her 60K. Now the girl called the book boat. You know, say boat no dey that area. I know, say where boat no dey. The thing go dey load. The guy got to say, nah, network not strong. Now the guy give her hotspot. The thing load. Now the guy answer, no vessel. Where we dey? The guy na idiot. Instead of me tell her say we are not far from Okoko. Now he say it's 20 minutes to Cameroon. Huh? Now wait. You know say I don't know say both the same message. You get the way you go book boat. They can send you direct SMS for your phone. You know, say the thing load. 9 messages just pop up. Check your SMS. Now the girl come on, go SMS. 9 boats send pigeon. Where you they really go?
Hey, Daddy, you can lie.
Okay, now you don't catch me. All right, now so put up the line. Okay, you want to one?
Before I put up the line.
All right,
ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for this Destalker. I don't face so many problems for this hustle. Now this man see me through. When I mean problem, big problem, I see me through. Please a round of applause for him. There's nothing I will do in my life that the soccer will not be part. I'm very happy you are coming next month for free.
Yes.
No, Baba, you don't talk bro. Bro, you don't talk
yes, now.
The guy went there and Binibo and he joined court, you don't talk not betray. You want to betray the brotherhood.
Baba.
Video menu.
Baba, I say yes. Yes.
Even your robo brother there, eyes of the witness.
Yes.
So I want to appreciate everybody.
Baba, I've done more than that for you, bro.
Yeah, Baba, you don't try.
I don't try for you. Oh yeah, I'm shock you now.
I'm
tell you what you go shock you now. Wait now, I'm tell you what you go. I'm shock you now.
Shock me.
You see that my balance? Take her.
Baba, you cannot tell me where the owner of the place there.
Okay, sorry.
Now, man, bring your balance, man. Give them your balance.
No very. I say this in. I say na your Benicio, no very.
But I don't see take her. Go kill get her. If that revive or die for my sweat. Don't go crack joke. There is drop money on me.
Baba, if he get money pass, he get joke reach you.
He get joke. How the money? What do you mean money? It's not for.
1 million naira.
Okay.
Oh,
DJ.
all right.
If I say we go just employ DJ Kingsley because if like is the only DJ in Nigeria that understands stand-up comedy.
True.
Please a round of applause for this guy.
Yes.
How he does it, I don't know.
You cannot know. If you know, you don't buy laptop. Not even
that. The crack joke, he go play music when somebody joke.
Yes.
DJ Kingsley.
Yes.
You deserve a blow job in Lagos. Hold on, I want to shock you.
Shock me.
You see your trash not go.
No, you don't feel go. Say Anna.
What be the DJ?
Oh! For the DJ!
Shut down Bini Boy.
I pray, Jaja, cover me. Over my enemies and no You see how this will be? What I want to touch brick, now they touch brocos.
Yes, now it must go round.
Unfortunately, say when they give another one block.
They want to give DJ
Another one block.
DJ. You are now a staff of Sonic Crew. Okay. I have employed you, no money. Will they give you get?
Hey, listen to me. I cannot stand here. You disrespect my DJ. Even though that is his problem, must you make it public?
I don't know how to pay the guy. My brother, people when they use money buy Gucci shirts, they waste time. You know what? The best part of life is enjoy when you are not very close.
Casino, I not go like you. Casino, since I know you, now you make sense.
Give me wisdom, Papa. What? You know why our comedy club different?
Yes,
you know why Sonic Room is different?
It's different, bro.
After this comedy, they'll call home club night.
Yes.
So the after party of this party is still this party.
Wow, that is party after party. Same venue.
Same venue. And get hype man. If not be walk, we not the hype now walk. We can be person senior song with the shout.
You know what they will pay me if you
hey God, and a Muslim.
What did they pay me? What did they pay me for all these hype men? Hype men go frustrate you and you go enter depression. They're going to shout 200 million going down. Your heart strength is going down. Your bed price going down. You get money. In no ghetto.
If they say with DJ.
If they say with DJ, I mean they say who they say with DJ. You dey fuck up.
Promotion.
You want to put the campaign? Listen to me, poor people can get motivation. You go, yeah, all figures are not equal. Must you be the small one?
Now, this song so we play, bricklayer from Benin, now they use and play. If they buy bread and orobo persi, African China better pass whiskey. So guys, look at this one and waitress. The way that they ask, they'll be like they're not see thief. They'll see thief Sonic Crew. They'll be thief, waitress. Now, I open bakery for my wife. You know that the manager of my wife's bakery, you know open bakery, opposite my wife's home. Now, that I go Europe. That I be there with you, Wefi. About the way they attend show, they wait till close. It's like you don't broke. You know no. Now love you get from me like this.
No. Listen, he love you.
If we get Europe, you get the hurry.
Okay, you know why they hurry? You know say that Europe on the day. This guy get 8 work. He get it work. If he be waiter, see they work for mortuary. Okay, no. Let's forget that side. No. DJ workshop because I will give how much he give me.
Because he don't marry for France. He carried 2 Chibok girls for Lagos.
You know why? To shit for Europe horse.
If there na Euro, you take the shit home.
Yeah. You don't give 2 girls 50,000. If they even bring their mama join.
Hey, so nobody's in a hurry to go, ladies and gentlemen.
Where did they go now? Listen to me. The level when this show don't reach now. Anybody when still remain now, either you are a CEO or you are a jobless person.
Yes. Or they bring your light by 6 a.m. You don't want to stay heat. Stay AC, make it not kill you. Even you throw back for Lagos, they come and heat won't kill you through back.
Casino. This is a beautiful show. Sonic
This is my friend, Sir Clint Robert, now from Asaba. You know, so when you do your show for a hotel,
yeah.
I will do my show. It will be for a co, but it not be for a hotel.
Oh, yeah. That is Itanori.
Don't be that one, I will stay. It will be for Federal Palace.
Okay.
So for now, I don't want to do
But you do with Sonic Room now. You do a hotel. Where they do you? Why you limiting your powers?
Now, so you they talk. This guy na producer.
That's why I produce this kind of place. Remember you go.
Now they produce
Rema,
baby, calm down.
Oh, no wonder he calm down today.
But I'll first do Federal Palace on my birthday.
Okay.
May 5th.
If you insist.
You know, say my papa say, you don't test the depth of a liver with your 2 legs. You first put 1 leg.
If I say your papa go the same school because my mother say they know they use spring they test juju for cutlass.
Yes, now. Hold on. Destalker. Let me say my papa and your papa are cousin. And my papa let me say na small that they chop goat weight that may not chop with killer.
Now no say na your papa now they talk to my papa.
The CEO of Trust Apparel, he said for this show for 2 years, anytime they weird now he go be swan. He not talk and I need tell you.
Oh.
And as a believer, he go do am. Make bad thing for not happen to him. Baba, you go do am to avoid stray bullets. You don't hold on back of it. Let's say one time.
If you don't do it, you collect.
Baba, you go do am, you not go do am.
For how many years? Now listen to me. I'm not a greedy person. Do me 6 months.
Baba, many of Delta people do for you. When you anywhere see guy na Delta.
Baba, in the case, now person when I want help.
Maybe you are read 19.5.
Yeah, case. Person when they say when he finish service, I will give him the video me.
On the car, is it okay?
No say is it okay. That is say the 4 car. You know some English.
For Lagos, they do business when they push.
What? Now this guy English want to speak for your customer here. He say is it okay?
For Kanu na company, after when Kwakwaso wan become president, Kwakwaso people they don't wear red cap. When I don't wear red cap, go Benin today na 7-7. Another cost they use our own.
Anyway, Benin different. Lagos go out dance on a comedy club. You do so. You just say you don't understand. They say you get pride.
I suppose they dance.
You go dance right now.
That is to blow for Lagos. You suppose crazy so.
Okay, you don't know what Koro they shout. I say you.
Okay. Now, this show is free.
Yeah.
Now it's free. It happens every first Sunday of every month. Now, we do table reservation.
Wow.
Now, the table reservation, not that you are paying us. If you are doing a reservation of 300K, that means you go near us. Now, that 300K, they will give you drink.
What?
That is proportional to 300K.
Now what will they use for Lagos? What?
You know, say I have to go school. And they only way fuck up. I'm not about the crowd for people who don't hire you. After that, Unipeper, yeah, and our VC.
Evil drop at the shout.
Ordinary. I'm not telling me poor people can know people history. August will run again.
Yeah.
So in case I reach out to you, you can follow us on Sonic Room or follow official MC Casino.
Okay.
Just send money. This man get a big way for Asaba.
Which one?
This cycling, the lap.
Okay, for Asaba.
The lapper, now show lapper for Lagos. Because in our send money, we take do reservation.
Oh, wow.
So we get table for 10, 300k. The 300k na drink when you want drink. Oh. If the drink pass 300k, you call as join.
You better tell your guy. May try to get 21 years.
Okay, that's share my.
Yeah, because I don't see him. That's why I'm managing.
But a small boy, the first way they 19 years, that one is send drink for 21 years.
What even shock me? I call the ask he says when he attend to me, he say may he bring Casamigo. He say hot or cold. I shock. He say na food, even though you don't know. Hey, yeah, Casamigo na tequila. Oh, hey God. I be saying, are you the educative waitress?
If you don't pass control, we don't.
Oh, not true.
I can't say na court. What's that? The soccer you want me for court for Lagos? So let's before the after party will start. This place is also a club. Not like they, but I never know. And the first time we get comedy club and real club.
Wow.
If you laugh, you dance, you sweat.
Good.
We get hype man, but the hype man don't tell me his name 30 times. I don't have.
Where the hype man?
When you come, I want to tell you, I don't know you call me that time. Talk, Baba, I'm not going to remember you tomorrow. Come and tell me like. What is your bracket one?
What do you mean?
What is your? Never dizzy. I don't forget never dizzy.
Okay. You want to do this like this?
I want to appreciate a you got try you.
When I see a great number, you try. Nothing when you want to. When I see Jeep wagon, how you hold? Cause he Range Rover. This is the mean. This is the mean. I don't know what you are doing. This is the mean. They will not catch you.
For them to catch you, may they catch my grandmama. Very ungrateful old woman. My grandmother is a bitch.
Alright, deal with
Kiss Mavis. Now motor is there for me.
Which of them?
See, I'm a man.
The one that took the drink one water.
Not because water, you don't care how you.
Okay.
I've been Mavis up on broke for Lagos.
Well, now they wave. Neither will woman.
If I want you really order, when I was tired, you really order, you know what our recognition no. We suppose beat you.
You know they get sense. I know they see if I recognize person for my show, now they do well.
No, the
guy, if you get past that guy will recognize you.
The guy they do well for Benin, Lagos who get big boys.
Oh, he got no competition.
Now how come for
Lagos? And depression go kill her.
Now motor is there, don't go left.
Yeah, listen to me. Let me advise you. Not everybody want the same motor to get. Yes, they get chairman. That chairman and they bring the motor. If he sell motor of 60 million, he profit if he 1,250. Listen. I bought 4 motors in 1 month, just like 3 weeks now. So when I never make an assault, say why they spend here. So not the hate and say he get. If you are not close, hey.
If first get.
Poor people can quit or say first get. Now when you dey close to round, not because of 30,000 when they give you. You know understand. You know they follow this story. The 6 motor, if you don't get one inside the 6 motor. That lie. Wait, I lie.
My brother not coming for problem. You know I go dey there all the time.
No worry.
And I want me to come all the time.
Alright, no fit come all the time. You know fit happen. Sometimes you go need some of my men to come all the time. Yes, I know that they tell you.
Comrade.
This guy, you get what you go call this guy rich. You go to say, you know what I'm saying. Guess the way. men when I get, they not get work, but they get. Kingston. Oh, I'm not tell you why Kingston he come. Kingston, I tell you why Kingston he come here 100 times. You know why? As he dey here now, they ball. People they play game right now.
That is they use people head.
Now as you dey.
Competition for my lady.
Kingston, you think you dey hear us? You don't know what they talk and what they talk.
No, you don't want the soccer. I come the soccer show for a post there. I know what you do. Anything I talk here, I don't mean it. I'm drunk. Put the blame on alcohol.
No, I will not take this. Why they use my joke? And I'm if I say I'm drunk.
Now only you speak for Nigeria.
Anyway, no casino. When I came, I declared my drunkenness.
Before the show, now last week I declared me I don't know.
I am a winner.
Sorry, we need battle. Sorry. You see, say true. Casino, don't walk past what you give him. Be quiet. Don't ask me. I know what they talk. I'm a spiritual man. You just say don't walk past. Go after this show now. Before you go back.